How to convert Facebook account to page? Thinking of transforming your personal Facebook account into a business or public page? Here's a simple guide to help you convert your Facebook account to a page quickly and effectively. Launch Facebook app on your device. Ensure to log into your particular account where you want to change or convert the Facebook account to page. Now tap the line bar icon at top right corner of the screen and go to your profile tapping on your profile username. When you scroll down, you will see friends, which we have three friends here, which is the feature of Facebook account. To convert Facebook account to page, tap three dots next to edit profile. Scroll down, tap turn on professional mode button. Now tap turn on. Wait for a moment until it has been making the changes on your device. Here you need to finish setting up your profile. Once you have done that, exit from this page and now reopen Facebook. Once you open it, tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen, go to profile again, and as you can see that the friends has changed into followers and following. That means we have successfully converted Facebook account to page in simple and quick way. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.